Have you ever wondered how to find genuine affiliate marketing programs? Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing, a realm where you can earn by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's an enticing prospect, isn't it? But beware, not all glitter is gold. It's crucial to distinguish between genuine programs and the less reliable ones. Falling for the latter could mean wasted effort or worse, lost money. But don't sweat it. Finding a genuine affiliate marketing program isn't as tricky as it may seem. It's all about knowing what to look for and where to look. The process of finding genuine affiliate marketing programs can be broken down into easy-to-follow steps. Let's delve right into it. Our first step is to research about the company. A reputable company offers a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. Look into the company's history, values, and reputation in the market. Are they known for their integrity and reliability? Step 2 involves reviewing the product or service. As an affiliate marketer, you want to promote products or services you believe in. Test the product or service, understand its value proposition, and assess if it's something your audience would find beneficial. Next, we move to step 3, checking the commission structure. A genuine affiliate program provides a fair and lucrative commission structure. You should be able to make a decent income from your marketing efforts. Step 4 advises you to look for transparency in terms and conditions. The program should clearly outline your responsibilities as an affiliate and what you can expect from them. Any ambiguity or hidden clauses are red flags. Finally, Step 5 encourages you to seek out reviews and feedback from other affiliates. This can provide invaluable insights into the operational realities of the program. By following these steps, you will significantly increase your chances of finding a genuine and profitable affiliate marketing program. Let's put theory into practice and look at a couple of examples of genuine affiliate marketing programs. Consider Amazon Associates, a well-known program that offers a vast range of products to promote. It's considered genuine due to its transparent commission rates and reliable payment system. Then there's ClickBank, another reputable program known for its diverse digital product portfolio and regular, dependable payouts. These examples should give you a good idea of what to look for when seeking out genuine affiliate marketing programs. To wrap things up, let's quickly go over the main points we've covered today. We've discussed the essential steps to finding genuine affiliate marketing programs, focusing on the importance of thorough research and the value of seeking feedback from seasoned affiliates. Remember, a genuine program should meet certain criteria like timely payments and a reputable brand name. With the right knowledge and a bit of diligence, you can find affiliate marketing programs that are not only genuine but also highly profitable. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey!